All right, you've purchased your book on Amazon, or maybe you bought it at the store and you want to write a review for your favorite author, a book that you just loved. Let's take a look and see how you do that on Amazon. My name is Patricia Regier from Regier Educational Services, and with the brand new book, The Online Shift. Thanks for joining me. Let's take a look. Amazon, it could be .com, .ca, depending on where you are in the world, that can differ. So I'm just going to go into Amazon, and what I'm going to do is look at setting up an account. So I'm looking up here on the top right, and new customer, start here. Or if you already have an account, just sign in. So I'm going to take a look at this and set up my account. Okay, so now that I've entered in an email address and created a password, now I'm going to have to verify the account. So I'm going to check my emails. Okay, so I'm going to click my Amazon account, grab the OTP code from there, and then enter that, and then click create your Amazon account. Okay, now I'm in. Now you can click bestsellers and take a look. Now, Amazon has a rule that you need to have purchased $50 worth of products before you can add a review to a book. And here's my book. It's so exciting to see. On April 4th, 2022, the paperback version will be available for you to purchase your own copy. Currently, sneak peek, it is available as an e-copy. But as much as we're talking about the online shift in the book, and it's so fantastic, I'm really pleased with how the book turned out. There's something about a physical book that I enjoy. So then I can check off things, highlight, use sticky notes, and just have that as that tangible resource. In Amazon, you can also click follow for any author that you would like to follow. And when you get to the book on Amazon, so to purchase an ebook, it's really easy, but buy now with one click. We'll see if it lets me do that because I haven't added, you'll need to add your pay information here. And you can also add it to your wish list, and you can read on any device. Take a look at another book as well and see, and I can click follow. Just take a look where I can write a review. So in your account, when you found the book you want to review, there's all the details. You can purchase it, and then when you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and on the left here, it shows you the ratings so far, and you can click write a customer review. They can be kind of picky. So right now here, it is telling us we haven't met the minimum eligibility requirements to write a review. And please see community guidelines, and you can read through all of that. But basically you have to have purchased $50 worth so they can legitimize you as an actual customer. And so when you go down to the bottom and you are qualifying, then when you click write a customer review, I've been buying quite a few books lately. So I'm going to click the book that I purchased. I'm following that author. When I scroll down to the bottom, I can click write a customer review, and then start with the rating, and then give a headline, I can add a photo if I want, and then I can write the review to be submitted and approved. Okay, so after you have rated the book, added a headline, write your review, you can certainly add a photo if you'd like. You just click submit, and then you'll get the confirmation that's been submitted, and you can take a look. Sometimes you might not see the review right away. All right, it has been at least 3 days since I gave my review of a book that I had purchased through Amazon. So it took a few days for it to be approved, and I'm going to show you what that looked like and what else to expect. Okay, this is what the email looked like when it was approved. So I didn't need to keep going into the account to check. I did receive an email, and it shows me my review and lets me know that it was approved. So now I can check on Amazon. All right, back to the review. So on Amazon, I have the book. It will let me know when I purchased it. I can scroll all the way down, and there I will find my review. So it's wonderful. It really is a way to support authors with giving reviews, whether it's the 5 stars or a more written review. It can be short, just showing, just sharing what you liked about the book. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. So definitely keep in mind, you need to have purchased at least $50 on Amazon to give a review there. You can also check out our Goodreads tutorial because that is not a requirement there. And then just be patient, waiting a few days. Amazon is picky with their reviews. I had given one in the past. I'm not even sure why it wasn't accepted. It may have been just the timing of not having recently purchased anything on Amazon for some time. So thank you for checking out these tutorials. Thank you for considering writing review for whether it's my book or someone else's book that you have purchased or borrowed from the library as well. So don't forget, on April 4th, 2022, my book, The Online Shift, it will be available, and you can order it online or where, in your local bookstore, you can request it, and you can certainly request it at your local library. Thanks again. My name is Patricia Regier from Regier Educational Services, and I hope you're able to facilitate engaging learning experiences online, even if you're leading a meeting or a quick HR talk with an employee. Whatever you are doing, you can make it engaging, meaningful, and connect with the people that you are supporting and leading. Thank you for checking this out, and I appreciate if you would like, share, comment, and subscribe if these videos are helpful to you. I have a lot of tutorials that you can check out on this channel. Thanks again.